Hello class, this is Alberto Montes for MIU 1408. This is our week 2 assignment, the sequence diagram and the prototype for our information application. I drew this up quick in Illustrator, just showing my 3 screens I'll be using in my application. Home screen, detail screen, and then the full image screen. If you click on any object, which will be cell phones in my case, it'll take you to the detail screen and it'll populate the screen with the proper JSON data, the picture, specs, reviews, and description. If you click on a thumbnail on this screen, it'll take you to a full image screen. You can see along the top it's going to be nav windows, so at any time you can go back to your previous window. And then if you're in your third screen and you want to surpass this detail screen and just go right home, there'll be a home button and it'll take you directly home, which will cut down on the number of clicks the user will have to do to navigate. And then here you can see my prototype, title at the top, a list populated by my objects. Click one, takes you to the detail screen. Click the picture, full screen. Nav windows will always take you back one window. If you don't need to go back to details, I'm going to go straight home, hit home, and it takes you directly home. The pros and cons of this assignment, definitely a lot more pros. It gives you a visual to work with when you start coding, especially for this part here, getting all this information on one screen, the spacing and where I needed to put it, how I wanted to arrange it. If I would have been using Accelerator, I would have been excuse me, mostly experimenting, trying to get this stuff to fit. But now that I have it all down and I know the spacing, and when I go to the coding aspect, it's going to be a lot easier. One thing I did notice while running the prototype, I would like to cut down on the animations. I think it's just a little too much. Maybe just the sliding ones. I thought Prototyper was easy to learn. The interface was very similar after using Photoshop and Adobe Illustrator. And I guess the only cons I could think of is the time it takes, and in a real life situation I could see a lot more money and time would have to go into a project. And also one last thing I did notice too, that after using the prototype, I need to make something that lets the user know that this thumbnail can be clicked. So I'm probably going to use some kind of outline or maybe a little text or something to let the user know. But all in all, it was a great project, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you.